तो बच्चों welcome all of you on behalf of me and math. I am Vijendra Gupta. Today is your math tutor. Okay. So हम जल्दी से class start करेंगे. Just share this class with your friends and your group. Welcome to me and math. So my audio and video both are clear. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Good afternoon, Prachi. Good afternoon, Kunal. Hello, Deependra. It's started. Okay. So जल्दी से हम लोग the first question of the session here. So we are on the first question of the session, and the first question is also belongs to the square and square root. In this session, we are working with the square and square root. And before the starting the question and session round, I hope you all are aware about the squares till 25 and cube till 15. If you do, आपको अगर याद नहीं है, remembers नहीं है, learn नहीं है, then you have to be okay. Squares up to 25 and cube up to 15 for your quick calculation. Okay, so this is the question. Root of 56 plus root 56 plus root 56 is equal to x. You have to find the value of x. So who are going to give the answers here? Take 2 minutes to solve this and give me the answer fast. Hello, Danusika. My voice is clear to everyone? Just write in chat box. Am I audible? Am I audible, class? Now check. Okay, that's fine. Saranya, check your device first. Voice is clear. From my side, voice is clear. Okay, check your device. अपने सिस्टम का वॉइस इंक्रीज करो बेटा. Let me check. Give me 1 minute. Now, is it audible? Is it audible now? Class, let me check. So the question is, okay. So The answer of the question, have you solved? The options are 5, 4, 8 and 2. Option A is 5, option B is 4, option C is 8 and option D is 2. Okay. Okay. So the answer of the question, in this type of question, what you have to do, this sequence is going to infinite. This sequence is going to infinite. Now look at this. This is also the same sequence. Can I write like this? Yes. Now check it. This one is repeating again. Means this the value of this sequence is x, as it also given in the question. So I can replace the whole sequence as x, because the this is an infinite series. Infinite series we cannot solve, but we can replace the series. So the final result will be root 56 plus x is equal to x. Now square on the both side. So 56x plus x is equal to x square. This is a quadratic equation. You can simplify it by splitting the middle term. You can simplify it by the splitting the middle term. Okay. 56x plus x. So x square minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 and minus 7. So there are two answers of x, 8 and 7. So in option 8 is available. So answer is C here. Saranya, no need to worry about that. Now, tell me guys, is this clear to everyone? The answer of the question is 8. Option number C available in the option. आगे बढ़े? Any doubt till now? Saranya, listen again. This sequence is going up to infinite and the same sequence is repeating. So whenever the same sequence is repeating, what we just try, we always try to do substitution. So I substitute the repeating equation as x, because the whole रिपीटिंग सीक्वेंस उसका वैल्यू है x, तो उसकी जगह हमने x रिप्लेस किया, तो आपकी जो इनफाइनाइट सीरीज है वो इनफाइनाइट सीरीज किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी? इट विल कन्वर्ट इन नॉर्मल सीरीज. नाउ ए वन साइड इज रूट, स्क्वायर रूट, एंड अदर साइड इज नॉर्मल. So if you want to remove the square root, then you have to square on both side. So I'll write here square root on both side. Square on both sides. Then simplify. This is splitting the middle term. This method is known as splitting the middle term. Okay. So that's the first question. Now let's move for the next question. Here is the next question, that 4096 soldiers are arranged in an auditorium in such a manner that there are as many soldiers in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. How many rows are there in the auditorium? Same type of questions we have done so many times. Same type of questions we have done so many times. This is a very easy question. Okay, so you have to find that in the arrangement how many rows and how many columns are there, and in the question given that number of rows and number of columns are equal. Okay, so I'll give you the hint. Let number of rows are x. So how many columns are there? Again same, because number of columns and number of rows are same. Why same? Look at here. The given in the question, as many as soldiers in a row as there are row in the auditorium. In every row, the number of soldiers are equal to the number of rows. Okay, so column is equal to x and row is equal to x. So the total number of soldiers are x square, and which is given in the question, that is 4096. If you convert 4096 in prime factorization, then it's 2 to the power 12. So x is equal to 2 to the power 6, and 2 to the power 6 is 64. So answer is 64. D option is the correct answer. D option is the correct answer here. Is that clear? आगे बढ़े. Okay, so next question is here. In a garden, there are as many trees in a row as there are number of rows in the garden. If there are 576 trees in the garden, find the number of tree in a row. The same type of question which we have done earlier. I am sure you will give the answer. I'll give you 1 minute. No need to write anything. Without using pen and paper, you can give the answer. The same question we have completed here earlier. In a garden, there are as many trees in a row as number of rows. Okay, give me the answer fast. Let's see who will give the first. देखते हैं कौन आंसर पहले देता है. Share this class with your friends and your groups. The answer is 22. B 20. Saranya says B is 24, and Prabhu says 22. No, it's not 22. The square root of 576. The square root of 576. That is 24. Saranya gives a perfect answer. Very good, Saranya. Yes, very good. The answer is 24. Again, the same solution. X into x is equal to 576. X square is equal to 576, and 576 is the square root of 24. So x is equal to root 576, that is 24. So answer is 24 here. B option is the correct answer. Very good. Very good, all of you. Now move for the next question. What is the least number which should be subtracted from 0.000? 326 to make it a perfect square? What is the least number which should be subtracted from this number to make it perfect square? Okay, sorry, Dhanusika. Your name is Prabhu, that's why I told you. Yeah, I know that you are Dhanusika. Okay? Yes, Dhanusika. So give me the answer for this question. Let's see who are going to the first one. Okay, Saravanan. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. I call you Sarah in short one. Okay, so the answer is, if the question is related to addition and subtraction, then we have to use long division method. If the question is related to division and multiplication, then we have to use prime factorization. So for 0.000326, you have to use long division method. 0.000326. Use long division method. First pair, second pair, and third pair. So first pair is 0, second pair 0 here. So 1, 1. So 1. If you subtract here, this is 2. Again add 1, 2. Copy the next pair, 226. Now let's say, let's use 8. Try 28 into 8 is equal to 224. Yes. So we have to write the 8 here. So it's 224. The remaining is 2. The remaining is 2. Okay. So now let's again do the question. Which number should be subtracted? So here 2 is extra here. 2 is extra here. If the remainder is 0, then it should be a perfect square number. So this should be 0. So what we have to subtract it? This number we have to subtract it. But this number at this position. So the answer is 0.000002. Yes. 0.00002, because where 2 situated, 2 is situated at this position. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then answer is 2. Which options satisfy here? The first option satisfy here. The answer is A. Who will give the answer? Yes, Sarah give the answer, Kunal give the answer. Very good. Yeah, both answers are correct. Any doubt in this question? Class, is it clear to everyone? Let's move for the next question. The next question is here. You have to find the square root of the given expression here. Find the square root of this given expression. 0.144 upon 2.5, multiply 25 upon 0.36, multiply 2.89 upon 0.04. If decimals are there, then you can remove the decimal also. The one method is that you can remove the decimal. So it may be easier one for you. Dhanusika, your answers are not coming. Okay, what will be the answer here? 17. Okay, so Sarah says the answer is 17. Sarah is in class 5th and giving all the answers and accurately also. Very good. Pranay, I'm fine. Pranay. Okay, so just Dhanusika, just look at the screen. So I'm removing the decimal here. So 144 upon 2.25 into 10 upon 1000 into 25 into 100 upon 36, and the last one is 289 upon 4 into 100 upon 100. So I converted all the decimal into fraction. Now someone is cancelling out. So this one is also cancelling out. 25 cancel out. 10 cancel out. 36 cancel out by 4, and 4 is cancel out by this. 100 is cancel out by the 100. So the remaining number will be 289. If you simplify whole the expression, you will get only 289. All are cancel out to each other. So the square root of 289 is 17. The first option is the correct answer here. Very good. Okay, Pranay. So you should give the answers of the question. You are in class 10th. So your answer should be correct and very fast. Okay. So I hope this question is clear. Now let's move for the next one. Between which two consecutive whole numbers does 48 lie? रूट 48 किन दो कॉन्जुगेटिव नंबर्स के बीच में लाई करता है? Between which two consecutive whole numbers does root 48 lie? 9 or 10, 6 or 7, 10 or 11, or 8 and 9? Means if you find root 48, then it is in decimal number. Root 48 is decimal number because it's not a perfect square number. Root 48 is not a perfect square number. So you have to tell that in which two whole numbers it will lie. So this is a very easy question, not a difficult one. Just always in this type of question, just always look at the boundaries perfect square number. 48, just below 48, who is perfect square number? Below 48. Yes. 6 square, 36. Yes. And above 48, that is 7 square, 49. So 48 is lie between 36 and 49. The B option is coming. Yes, B option is the correct answer. So it will lie between 6 and 7. Yes. So answer is B option is the correct answer. Very good. The answer is B. Okay. Now let's move for the next one. And here is the next one. Again, we have done the same type of question earlier. So you have to find the square root of given expression. So whenever decimals are there, just try to remove the decimal. It will help you in calculating fast. So I hope you will all give the answer of this question in just 2 minutes. It's not a difficult one. I'm waiting for your answers. Fast, guys. Till now, if you have any doubt in previous question, also you can tell me in the chat. So if you have any doubt, Dhanushika, which things you didn't study in the class? Sarah says the option number A. Yeah, 0.03. We'll check, beta. Sarah will check. Square root, you have not studied Dhanushika till now. Okay, no need to worry. So this is the basic questions you can do. I think I'm giving the ideas in this class. Is it clear to you? Kunal says C option. Sasmita, C option 0.3, 0. Sasmita says 0.3 and Kunal says option number C. Okay, so let's move for the solution. Okay, Dhanusika, look at the solution here. First, what I'm trying to do, I'm removing the decimals here. So 484 upon 64 into 10 upon 1000. Now the second fraction is 196 upon 121 into 10 upon 1000. Okay, and the last one is 36 upon 49 into 10 upon 10. If you are smart, if you are know about the how to remove the decimal, you can directly remove the decimal. No need to write like this: 10 upon 1000, 10 upon 1000, 10 upon 10. You can directly remove it also. But in our class, so many or every type of students here, so I am solving in detail. So I am hope this statement, this step is clear to everyone. Now what I have to do, I have to simplify it. For simplification, 10 10 cancel out, this 10 is cancel out with 1 0, and this 10 is cancel out with 1 0. Now 121 is cancel out by 4. 121 into 4 is 484, and anyone is cancelling out. 196 and 49 cancel out by 4. 49
4 ja 196. 4 is cancelled out by 16. So in the end, the remove part is 36 upon 16 into 100 into 100. So this is square root of this is 6 upon 4 into 10 into 10. Okay, वापस से देखते हैं. Yeah, 484 upon 64, 1 decimal, so 10 here, 3 decimal, so 3 zeros are here. 196 upon 121, again 10 upon 1000. 36 upon 49, 10 upon 10 here. Now 121 is cancelled out by 4. 49 is 49 and 96 is cancelled out by the 4. So 1 4 here, 1 4 here, 36 here, 64. This 64 is cancelled out with 16. So okay, 1 4 is also remaining in the numerator. So now answer is 12 upon 400, or you can say 3 upon 100. 3 upon 100 can be written as 0.03. The answer is 0.03. A option is the correct answer. Option C is not the correct answer. Yes. So 0.03. Okay, Tanmay. Okay, so 0.03 is the correct answer for option number A. Option number C बताया था starting में कुणाल ने. Kunal, option number C is not the correct. Option number C is 0. Kunal, you are saying that option C is 0, and the question is about the multiplication. In multiplication, 0 is always come when you multiply it with 0. In multiplication, answer cannot be 0. 0 होने के लिए एक नंबर मल्टीप्लाई 0 से होना कंपलसरी है, अदरवाइज 0 कभी आंसर नहीं आएगा. कीप इट इन माइंड. So in multiplication, answer cannot be 0. Instead, one quantity is 0. Okay, so C option is the correct answer. Yes, class. Move करें. Next question. Kunal says, "Sir, I didn't attend the last session, so I don't know." Okay, and it deleted the message also. I don't know how to solve this. Kunal, no need to worry. I'm telling you that what is the procedure. First, you have to know about the square root. Okay, so move करें next. Here is the next question. The question is the square root of 68 upon 9 correct to two decimal place is the square root of 68 upon 9 correct to two decimal place. टू डेसिमल प्लेस तक इसका स्क्वायर रूट हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कौन सा आंसर होगा? 2.33, 2.88, 2.86, 2.74. Which option is the correct one? The square root of 68 upon 9. You have to find the square root of 68 upon 9. If you see 9 is a perfect square number, but 68 is not a perfect square number. So answer is in decimal. So which going to be the correct option here? 2.33, 2.86, 2.88 and 2.74. There are two methods possible. First, you can find the square root of 68 and 9 separately, then you can divide. And the second method, first you can solve 68 upon 9, then you can find the square root of the answer. Okay, waiting for your answers. Sorry guys. अभी तक किसी भी स्टूडेंट का आंसर नहीं आया है. इतना डिफिकल्ट है ये? इज इट टू मच डिफिकल्ट? What happened guys? Can you give the answer or no? Say yes or no. Sarah says the answer is D. Sarah says the answer is D. Okay. Tanmay also saying 2.74D. Devsikha 2.74D. Okay. So first, look at here, 68.9. What we are solving? 68.9. 68 upon 9, sorry. 68 upon 9. So root 68 upon root 9. So root 9 is 3. We have to find the root 68. We can use long division method. 8 8 is a 64. 2 decimal plus 8 16. 1 161 plus 1 here, so this is 162. And if you subtract 200, 161, so this is 39. So copy double zero here. Now so 2 3 48, तो बड़ा हो जाएगा 3. 2 से हम चेक करते हैं. Okay, 2 to the 4 4 32, so it's 8.12. So 8.12 upon 3, you can divide 8.12 upon 3. So if you divide 8.12 3, this equal to 2.70. So it's around 2.74 answer. Why it's coming 2.74? Because I have solved till here. If I take one more digit, then your answer will be the perfect one. So 2.74 will be the answer. It's around 2.71. Okay, so option is available 2.74 because of this. Okay, second method. First, simplify 68 upon 3. The first method, simplify 68 upon 3. So you can divide log 68 upon 3. कर देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. 68 divide by sorry 9. It's not 3. It's 9. So this is 7.5556. This is 7.5556. Actually, it's the rational number. Its division is not completed. It's non-terminating repeating number. So the last digit है उसको round off करके 6 कर दिया है. Now long 7.5556. इसका अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करें तो 1 ये पेयरिंग हो गई. 2 2 जा 4. Subtraction you will get 3. Decimal here, so put the decimal. So 2 point something. Now copy next pair, that is 55. Add plus 2 here, so answer is 4. Now write 7 here. 49, 32. So 47 into 7 is 329. If you subtract that, it will be 26. So next, copy the next one, that is 56. Next pair is 56 plus 7 here. So this is 54. Now which digit I have to write? Just write 4 here. So 4 4 is 16. 7 21. 0 8 5. Right. So the in round figure in 2 digit answer is 2.74. If the answer option is 2.75, then 2.75 is also correct. So the nearby option is 2.74. So the answer is 2.74 is the correct answer. You all give the correct answer. Very good, class. Okay. So this one is clear. जिन्होंने भी स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट नहीं पढ़ा है, आई थिंक उन सभी को क्लियर होगा कि हाउ वी फाइंड द स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट. Okay. So next question is here. This is the next question. One expression is given here. You have to find the answer of solve it for x. For your reference, if this symbol is written, that is means square root. If this symbol is there, then it means cube root. For the new students, I'll tell you that you can write square root as power of 1 by 2, or cube root can be written as power of 1 by 3. What is meaning here? Let's suppose root 64. So root 64 can be written as 64 power 1 by 2, and cube root 64 This can be written as 64 power 1 by 3. The answer of square root of 64 is 8 and the cube root is 4. So this is the notation, this is the symbol we have used here. So use this. Kunal, which question is not understand? This one, yeah, previous one. I give you the hint here. If you go through the hint or if you use this hint, you can simplify the question. Okay, now simplify. It's not a difficult one, just calculations involved here. Simple calculation. एक तरफ स्क्वायर रूट है, एक तरफ normal number. If you want to remove the square root, then you have to square on both sides. If you want to remove cube root, then you have to cube on both sides. Listen again. If you want to remove square root in an equation, then square, do the square on both sides in RHS and LHS. If cube root is there and you want to remove it, then do cube on both sides. Previous one. Okay, I'll give you. I'll explain it again after this question. Okay, so I'm deleting it. Okay. Now look at the question. First symbol is square root. This is square root, and this is next symbol. This is cube root. Okay. So सबसे ऊपर कौन सा है? Square root. So we have to remove the square root. Then first we have to do the square on both sides. So first step is square on both sides. Square on both sides. So if I do the square on both sides, then this square root will remove. Okay. So x into 0.00009. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. So 0.3 square. 0.3 square is 0.3 into 0.3. This is 0.09. Now I want to remove it. Remove cube root. Then second step is cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. So x into 0.000009 is equal to 0.09 into 0.09 into 0.09. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 decimals here and 6 decimals here. Or if you face the difficulty, just convert them into normal fraction. You will find the perfect one answer. X into 9 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to 9 upon 100, 9 upon 100 and 9 upon 100. So these 6 digits are cancel out, 1 9 is cancel out, so x is equal to 9 into 9, x is equal to 81. So answer is 81. 81, B option is the correct answer here. Okay, Dhanusika give the perfect answer. Very good, Dhanusika. So the answer is here 81. So I'm repeating again. Here in the same question, square and cube root. Square root and cube root both are involved here. So first we have to remove the square root, and in the after that we have to remove the cube root. So first here in the first step, I square on both sides because I have to remove the square root, and the second I have remove cube root by the cube on both sides. Then solve it. After solving, answer is 81. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. Kunal says the previous question is not clear to him. Okay, so this is the previous one. 68 अपॉन 9 हियर. तो 68 अपॉन 9 को अगर हम डिवाइड करें तो 68 अपॉन 9 को डिवाइड करने पर आंसर आता है 7.556. 7.556 का स्क्वायर रूट यू हैव टू फाइंड, देन यूज long division method to solve this. Use long division method to solve this. After long division method you will get 2.74. ठीक है. एक दूसरा मेथड है, इसमें हम दोनों को इंडिविजुअली सोल्व करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को. तो रूट 9 is 3 and root 68 is 8.12. Now divide it. After division you will get the 2.71 answer. Okay, so this is here. Now last question of the session here. The second last. If root 99 upon 25 minus 2 is equal to x plus 1, then x equal to. Again, in this question, root is involved here. In this question, root is involved here. So you have to remove root. Then you have to do square on both sides. So do the square on both sides. Square on both sides. So 99 upon 25 minus 2 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. If you want to simplify it, so 99 minus 50 upon 25 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. Right hand side as it is. This is 49 upon 25 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. Now you can see that 49 is also a perfect square number, 25 is also a perfect square number. So 49 is a perfect square number, 25 is a perfect square number. So x plus 1 is equal to root 49 upon 25. Root 49 7, root 25 5. So x plus 1 is equal to 7 by 5. Now it's a very simple equation. 7 by 5 minus 1. So this is 2 by 5. So answer is 2 by 5. A option is the correction here. 2 option here. Okay. Now the last question of the session is, you have to simplify root 45 and root 20. Root 45 and root 20, you have to simplify this. So just give the answer here. The root 45 is, you can write 5 into 9 and 220 is 5 into 4. So ultimately you can, so now 5 5, answer is 5. 9, root 9 is 3 and root 4 is 2. So answer is 5 into 3 into 2. 30 is the correct answer. 30 is the correct answer. C option is the correct answer here. Okay. So in this question, C option, 30 is the correct answer. Root 45 into root 20. If you simplify, if you solve this, the answer is 30. Okay. This is all about the session, what we have done. So we have done so many questions, so many different type of questions, so many different concept we have learned here. I hope this session is very useful to everyone. So I'm ending the session. Thank you everyone.